Do you also want to learn English? Do you want to speak English just like native speaker, but you are confused? How can I learn English? Because of I don't have good environment, I don't have any tools that can be used to learn English. I don't have good friends who can speak English. With whom can I practice like that? You know, issues come in your mind, like that questions come in your mind. But I want to tell you one thing: these all are stupids. Will have to prepare your mind that is environment and friend doesn't matter. If you want to learn English and if you have a strong determination to learn English, then nobody can stop you to learn English. I come from village area. I live in a village, in a small village, and still I learn English because of I have a strong determination. And last year I started learning English, but initially these questions also came in my mind, but I didn't think more, and I started my journey. In this way I practice every single day. Whenever I go, it doesn't matter, I go field or outside of my village, wherever I go I started practicing. So in this way we can also practice and we can improve your communication skill. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I started making videos on YouTube. This is my first vlog, and I will keep making videos in this way, and I will keep motivating you so that we can also learn English free of the course. There is no need to pay any payment, there is no need to pay any fee to learn English. We can also use this phone and we can learn English. We can practice in your village, and we can improve your communication skill. Public speaking is most important, because if you only know the grammar and words, but if you don't know how to describe these things, your English can't be improved. So please, whenever you get free, go outside your village, go your small garden and start speaking English. When you start speaking English, then day by day your English will be improved. This is not there is no any shortcut of learning English. You will have to spend time. It is not everyone, it is not piece of cake. When you start spending time, when you start practicing, then definitely we can improve your communication skill. Also, I was so confused. How can I learn English? Initially, at the beginning, but I thought this is a basic fundament. This is a basic fundamental tools that can be used to learn English. And I started making videos, and we can see there is a small garden. This garden is mine, and I came today to plant onion bulbs. Okay, so come closer. I want to show you our onion bulbs, and I will. We can see these are onion bulbs. There are in. And this is a basket, and I kept many onion bulbs, and I am going to plant these bulbs. These are small bulbs, fresh onion. Onion is most important for every kitchen, so I plant these. I'm going to plant these onion bulbs, and friends, we can see these onion bulbs had been planted before 10 days, and within 10 days these plants have been grown, and we can see how beautiful looks, and these look like healthy and fresh. But we need to plant more onion bulbs, so I am going to plant onion bulbs. We can see this is a tool which is used to dig the soil, because first we'll have to make soil soft. After that we will plant these onion beautiful bulbs. Okay, so this is called in Hindi khurpi, but in English we can say small trowel or hand hoe. Okay, so now I'm going to dig the soil. like this. First we'll have to make soft this soil. After that we'll have to put this, suppose this onion bulb, and I'm going to plant this onion bulb. There is no need to plant deep, just we'll have to plant like this. I have planted this onion bulb, and in this way I have to plant all the onion bulbs. So I have heavy workload now, and we can see there is a river which is connected Mahananda and Ganga Nadi. So really this is an amazing river, and we enjoy a lot here. We swim here. I know also how to swim. Do you know how to swim? I think most people know how to swim because of they come from India. So Indian people know how to swim. Okay, so we can enjoy, but the weather is rather nice today. It is the beginning of winter. People are enjoying. We can say the boy who is rowing the boat, he's my villager, and we can see a small guy can row the boat, can drive the boat. Okay, so people are enjoying in this winter season, and we also we swim here in this river whenever we want to enjoy, and this river helps a lot to water our fields. We can say water is located nearby nearby our small garden. So whenever we need to water this field, then we just take a bucket, and we put the water from this river, and we water this small garden. And after some times this garden just look like fresh and green garden. Okay, so really village life is simple but beautiful and amazing, because of here everything is available. Whatever we need to grow plants, and whatever you need to make green our small garden. So in this way we can practice, because of if you want to practice and if you want to learn English, this is not a rocket science. We can also practice, and we can improve your communication skill. So please please stop making excuses. Get in the habit of speaking English. Get in the habit of practicing in English. In this way we can learn English, we can improve your communication skill, and also we will have to keep it mind that English is an international language. It is used every step in our life. So to learn English is most important for us, and it has become common to learn English. So also I have another channel where I teach English grammar, phrasal verbs, proverbs, idioms, and I started one course. The name of the course is learning English from zero to hero. Okay, and I started this course basically for beginners student, because most of the student they want to learn English, and they go YouTube and they search how to learn English. मैं कैसे इंग्लिश सीख सकता हूँ, मैं कैसे जीरो से इंग्लिश सीख सकता हूँ, बट दे फाइंड एडवांस स्ट्रक्चर्स, एंड दे फाइंड videos from tense and like phrasal verbs. But I started and I made one playlist for beginner student, where you can learn English, we can improve your communication skill. And if you want to learn English in this way, through village life, through small garden and daily life practice, we can subscribe my channel. So please subscribe my channel, and see you in the next vlog.